The man who reinvented the vacuum cleaner is now worth over £20 billion. Sir James Dyson is the founder of Dyson Limited, famous for futuristic vacuum cleaners, fans, and hairdryers. But his journey wasn't easy. He built more than 5,000 prototypes before his design finally worked. That persistence paid off, and today Dyson products are sold in over 80 countries worldwide. With his family, Sir James Dyson holds a fortune of £20.8 billion. From failure to fortune, Dyson's story proves that innovation and persistence can change the world.